education this day and age to read any good news on the newspaper.
Hey guys, Brian here with another educational tip of the day. The next learning style that we're going to talk about is expeditionary learning. What this entails is you guys go out into your community or outside your home or inside your home even, and find problems or things that come up that you guys want to find solutions to. One could be the pollution. A great one right now would be COVID and ways to lessen the impact and the spread of the disease. There's just a lot of different things that take real life situations and allows your kids to come up with solutions in their mind of how to do it. They can also go online, do some research, figure out more about what it is, the problem, and how others have fixed it or have attempted to fix it in the past, and then kind of derive their own solution out of all of that input that they've gotten either online and in the real world to come up with their solution. It's a fun one to get out if you want to just, again, come up without sitting in front of your kid all day yelling at them in front of a computer, to keep their brains engaged and get their muscle memory moving and start being a little bit more physical and get that blood working. So hopefully that helps, and that's your educational tip of the day.